Get up, Cooper! Stay right. Let's go. No. Come on, man. Wheel. Let's go, goalie. Good job, Conrad. Go, Hounds. Come on.
Talk to him, Easton.
Get ready, Finn.
Down.
I couldn't see it.
Talk to him, Easton.
Set up defense.
Good job, Boo!
Run, Easton, run. Get on your guy, Easton.
Make a pass, he's wide open.
Good job, Boo!
Get up, Cooper! Stay right. Let's go. No. Let's go defense! Come on.
There you go on the stick. Young man. Behind you. Where were you? Slide D.
Good job.
Get outside.
Good.
Get outside.
Good hustle, Liam. Good hustle.
Yep.
Size him up. Just size him. Keep him in front of you.
There you go.
Liam, go.
Yeah, you gotta. Yeah. Well, they're hot.
Stay home, Liam. Stay home. Stay home. Go.
Fast breaking.
And wide open.
Good stop, Cooper.
Look, you see? Look at that guy's right there. There's no one on him.
Cutting. Look at that. Look at that. Oh.
Look at it, Easton. That's you. That's it. Win that. Win that.
Oh.
That's your teamwork. William. Ah.
Oh.
Yeah, Conrad!
Get ready. Come on, get it back.
No. Come on.
Good.
Hey, good job.
Good job, William. Good job, Conrad.
You're so good drawing you out.
Newman.
Got it. Get out of there.
Come to the backside of the goal. Get to the backside of the goal.
Get angry.
Good stuff.
There you go, Conrad!
Conrad, that's all you.